If you run an e-commerce business or a dropshipping brand, you know this nightmare. You have 50 different Alibaba.com tabs open. You've spent hours copy-pasting the exact same message to 20 suppliers. And now you're stuck waiting days just to get a basic quote or chasing down factory certifications. Sourcing usually means mind-numbing manual labor just to get a single product off the ground. We waste massive amounts of time and money in this back and forth phase. But what if you could compress that entire multi-day headache into a single prompt? Today, we are breaking down the Accio Sourcing Toolkit. This isn't just another basic AI chatbot. It's a full desktop workspace built with official Alibaba.com connectors and pre-programmed trade intelligence. It's designed to act as your autonomous 24/7 sourcing team to take a product idea to a factory-ready order with zero manual overhead. Here's where I had my first aha moment. I typed a lazy sourcing request. I need 500 tumblers with logo printing. Instead of sending that weak inquiry directly, Axio Work stopped me and asked, what stainless steel grade? 304 or 316? Single wall or double wall insulation? Laser engraving or silk print logo? Do you need FDA certification? That completely changed the conversation. This felt less like using software and more like working with an experienced sourcing manager who already knew what suppliers would ask next. This is where the Accio Sourcing Toolkit changes the game with its auto chat intelligence filter. When you drop an idea into the workspace, auto chat passes your query through a deep, trade-specific knowledge base. It instantly identifies what technical specifications are missing and refines your query before a single message hits the supplier. If your input is weak, the AI takes over to structure the request with exact industry terminology. It proactively requests the necessary documentation, like formal quotation sheets or specific category certifications, such as FDA certificates if you're sourcing something like food packaging. The result? Instead of endless clarifying questions, the supplier receives an expert-level bulletproof inquiry on day one, compressing a 3-day back and forth into a single exchange. Now, let's say you already have a winning product in your Shopify store. In my case, a portable blender bottle. Normally, scaling a winning product means a lot of repetitive outreach. You spend hours collecting product specs, messaging supplier after supplier, asking the same questions, and waiting for replies just to compare pricing and terms. With Axio Work, that process felt much more streamlined. I synced the product from Shopify, and instead of manually reaching out one supplier at a time, Axio Work helped me launch bulk outreach using my existing product data. That means multiple suppliers could receive structured inquiries at the same time without me rewriting the same message over and over. What stood out wasn't just the speed, it was how much easier it became to compare supplier responses in one workspace. I could quickly evaluate key factors like unit pricing, MOQ requirements, production lead times, certification availability, and this is where the value became obvious. One supplier quoted me $8.20 per unit, while another offered $7.40 for nearly identical specs. That price gap may look small, but at scale, it directly impacts your margins. That's when I realized something important. Better sourcing isn't just about saving time, it's about using smarter outreach to uncover better opportunities hidden inside supplier conversations. This brings us to the real crown jewel of autonomous sourcing, eliminating the time zone barrier. If you live in the West and source from overseas factories, you know the painful 12-hour time difference. You send a message at 2 p.m., the factory opens while you sleep. They reply at 3 a.m., and you don't see it until the next morning. A single negotiation can take 2 weeks just because of the clock. This toolkit introduces super sourcing mode, which runs a 24/7 night shift negotiation workflow. You program your target metrics into the system, your ideal price per unit, your required minimum order quantities, and your strict production lead times. Then you step away. While you are offline or fast asleep, AutoChat stays awake. It actively drives negotiations forward in real time as the suppliers log on. It handles all the tedious follow-ups, nudges suppliers who haven't updated their quotes, counter offers based on your preset margins, and handles the steady stream of "are we there yet" messages. Think about how much momentum you lose when a chat thread goes cold for 15 hours. This completely eliminates that waiting period. The AI pushes the deal forward around the clock, meaning you can literally wake up in the morning to a finalized, optimized deal waiting on your dashboard. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Am I really going to let an AI negotiate with my suppliers and spend my money? This is a crucial point, and it's why this workflow is so effective. There is absolutely no complex prompt engineering required, and it keeps the human firmly in the loop. The AI handles the grueling grunt work 24/7, but you maintain absolute control over the final execution. It will flag critical agentic trade milestones for your manual approval. You make the final call on the exact terms, you approve the final sample specs, and you sign off on the payments. It acts as an incredibly efficient assistant, not a rogue agent. The real-world data on this speaks for itself. Founders who have moved away from manual sourcing to this automated pipeline report, compressing weeks of vetting into single-day turnarounds. From my own test, the biggest improvement wasn't just speed, it was decision quality. What used to take me several days of messaging took less than 1 day. I also avoided multiple unnecessary sample rounds, which could easily save hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. If you are ready to stop drowning in dozens of open tabs and want to put the tedious side of product procurement on autopilot, you can download the Workspace plugin directly at www.axio.com/work. It is fundamentally changing how independent brands scale their operations without needing a massive procurement team. Go check it out, test it with your next product concept, and let me know in the comments how much time it saves your workflow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hands-on automation breakdowns. I'll see you in the next video.